Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher, and the latest box of Crochet Society subscription has arrived. So all I've done is unsealed the bag. So this is one of the brightest boxes I have ever seen. There is so much gold on here. Look at that! Yeah, I mean, it is one of the brightest, like I said, it's one of the brightest boxes I've ever seen. I really love the design on the box. So yeah. It's time to see what's inside. So, you are a child of the universe. It's got like a hippie theme to it, and I'm all here for it. We've got bright pink tissue paper. We've got the new logo on the sticker. Let's see what it is. Oh, that is really pretty. They're totally my colours as well. So we have Colour Rush DK by Signet. Now I haven't been a fan of Signet yarns. We did have some in a previous box, the kaleidoscope yarn, and it just kept splitting. But that was like 2 strands spun together. This is not. So we have Violet Ice, which is a nice variegated. So these are 100% superior acrylic. So it says cold rinse, short spin, do not wring and do not iron. Okay. It just says it knits up to DK patterns. So it doesn't actually say on the ball. Oh, it does. It says DK here. And it is 100 grams. So we have not 1, not 2. This one is Dust Storm. But 3 balls of yarn. This one is called Waterfall. So we have, if I can pick them all up, three balls of yarn. They're all variegated. Looking forward to seeing how they work up. They've actually got pictures on the sides of them. They give you like a little idea of how it would knit up, but obviously this is for crocheting. There's that one, and then the last one. So they look quite dark in the little knit sample on there, but they're actually really bright. So yeah, let's have a look at what else we have. So we have a 3.75 crochet hook in greens with a twisty pattern. We have a flower stitch marker. It's quite big actually. If I put it this way, it's actually quite big. I love the new little this little tag as well, because it matches the box. In the previous ones they've just had the same sort of tag. We also have a tape measure with the flowers again. It says be cheerful all the way around. So yeah, and it is a button one, so it will retract on itself. This says enamel pin badge. So I'll open it up in a second. This one says light bulb stitch markers, so I wonder what colours they're going to be. We have what I can only assume is safety eyes in a little packet, which is quite normal. And then we have a bag. It says be gentle with yourself. Again, following the theme. That's really cute. Although that yarn is not going to fit in it. And then we have our book. And that is very 80s, and I am all here for it. So, I'm just going to pop that to one side. Let's have a quick look at the pin badge. Oh, that is cool. I like that. Take a deep breath and crochet. Be happy. I love it. That is totally going straight on my current project bag. I love that. So cute. And let's have a quick look as to what colours our stitch markers are. Oh, they're blue. They're like a light blue. That's quite nice. So, onto the book. As always, we have our guide at the back. And this book has gone back to the stapled version. I wasn't quite fond of the thicker one. Just because pages kept falling out of some of them. So it's nice to see us back to staples. So, this is the very first box from the new curator, who is Kate. And look at her. I have this dress now as well. I love it. It is so cheerful. So, oh, they look nice. Anyway, so it says, welcome to your brand new Crochet Society box. The thing I love most of all about Crochet Society is seeing all of you get your boxes in the post and the joy it brings you. So that was my starting point in creating this box. What I want more than anything is for this to put a smile on your face and to make your day just a little bit better. Yeah. So I won't read the rest of it to you guys, but let's move on. So we have 3 projects. Flower Power Blanket, which is done with hexagons. There's a Love Blossoms bag. And there is Tender Tulips cardigan. Well, we don't have the yarn for the cardigan. Ours is different. So we then have story behind the yarn. We have a page on the treats, wise words, grab a brew, over to you, and a festival of colour. So that is our contents page. I really like this. So it says, for this box, I knew I had to choose a yarn from one of my favourite yarn companies. I've always loved working with Katie and the team at Cygnet, so this yarn was an easy choice for me. I hope that you love it as much as I do. So there's 2 more on here, watermelon and pomegranate. Watermelon, which is like deep reds, and then pomegranate, which is a bit lighter. Okay, Flower Power is designed by Kate Heppel, who has done quite a lot of patterns for us in the past. I really like that. That might have to be my project from this month, from this box. The pages in this book are actually quite thick as well, which is nice. Oh, we get, look, here's the big look at what's in the box. Yeah. There's so many bright things that I love it. So Love Blossoms is a bag by Victoria Tyser. Oh, I didn't give you Kate's Instagram because it's not there. I'm sure she's on Instagram there. So Victoria Tyser is in the stitch with Vix. And that's the bag that we have. So it's got a little daisy in the middle with a heart. So that is Intarsia by looks of it. Oh, Desiderata. And this is the poem that has inspired the box. I love that it's got this really nice colourful background as well. It'd be nice to read that. We have Small Business Spotlight. So it says, creativity comes in many forms and there's no better way to enjoy your crochet than with a lovely warm brew. That's where Teepsy comes in. Oh, okay. Oh, they do little... Ah, look. They've got little boxes of different types of tea. I'll have to try some of those. So, a festival of colour. Colour Rush DK is such a versatile and bright yarn. It is a great choice for any of these projects that you can find on Craft World. These are all made with colourful yarns. There's so many wonderful patterns out there to choose from. Now I've just turned the page and there is a bonus pattern in here. So we have 4 patterns this month. So I'm going to have to fold the page back because it's got the picture, the diagram of the pattern. But there's a cowl in here as well called Refresher's Cowl by Cassie Ward. Now I'm actually working on a project by Cassie Ward, who is the Missing Yarn on Instagram and Ravelry. And that uses all 3 colours, I think. So it looks like you twist different colours together. Held double or held single. Oh, so I'll have to have a go at that. Then we have Your Make. So this is what people have made from previous boxes, and then they've shared them on like Instagram and Facebook. So I've actually done one of these. I've made one of these, which is the little lion here from the Fun of the Fair box. But I love seeing everybody's makes, and sometimes they're not even makes from the box, but they use the yarn in a different way, which I think is really cool. I really do want to make these orange and lemon as well at some point. Okay, so here is the Tender Tulips pattern. It is by Lauren Willis, who's manatee_squares. It's got a nice bit of detail in there, actually. It is in Taja, so you do hold 2 yarns together to create the pattern. I think it's quite sweet. And then we have a little snapshot of the next box. It says good things take time. So, I really like this box. I think I'm definitely going to be making the blanket because it is just really cute. And I love the fact that you could just add more yarn to it and make more squares and make a bigger blanket. So, because it is modular, which means there are lots of bits all the same that you stitch together at the end. So, yeah, I'm going to put everything back in the box. But I really like this box. That's everything back in the box. I mean, look at all those colours. I absolutely love this box. I think this might be one of my favourite boxes. And actually, even if I don't make the blanket using these yarns, I have plenty from other boxes that I could use. For example, I have plenty of the confection DK left over as well from the free advents that we've had and what we had in boxes. So, yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this little box opening with me to see what's in the latest Crochet Society box from their subscription. And I am looking forward to seeing what comes next. So, as always, I'm not affiliated in any way or endorsed, etc, etc. I don't make any money from this. I just like to open up the subscription box and show you what's inside. And as always, there will be information down below if you would like to get your hands on your own subscription or potentially get this box. Sometimes they put extra boxes in their shop over on their website, so you never know, you could get one too. There are obviously lots of other boxes out there. There's a Curate box, a Knit Crate box, Stationary Geek boxes, there are nerdy boxes, there's so many more. This is just, I like crochet, so this is the one I get. But yeah, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.